covered. We know that. All right.
Refrigerator.
Okay.
You have the cool.
Yeah, pretend white water. Nice. Okay, look at it. All right.
Some ham, Dad.
Yes.
You want milk?
We got milk?
I got one. You like orange one? Do you?
Sure.
Okay, let's open it.
Okay.
How do you open this?
It's not real. It doesn't really open.
You have to pretend.
Where?
Use your imagination.
Where?
In your brain. Play.
See, what
You
you're
have to
going to do is
play.
you're going to break it open and then you're going to...
Watch, here, Dad will show you.
Okay.
Give the cup, pour some out, close it up, put it back in the refrigerator, please.
Oh, I see. Open it.
Thank you.
That's milk.
Oh, thank you. Go, 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 go.
Here. Don't drink it.
Oh, okay.
I had to put this away.
Okay.
Okay, don't drink.
I'll put mine down here for now.
Oh, let's just like coffee though. Where's the... Oh, it's over there. The blue one and then it's like the
Funding for this program is provided by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by the annual financial support of COVID-19.
Oh, I see. This is the one that makes the sizzling noises.
Highlighting the contribution of the university is part of American society. The university is a non-profit organization in terms of art, social justice, and public broadcasting.
I thought your shirt was done.
Join best-selling author Dr. Wayne Dyer for an event that could change your life. What
I guess this phone wasn't working, so maybe we should pick it back up.
Really?
Won't you drink
Oh, wow, it's
let's
really
go
not
like
again.
this.
Dr. Dyer's book has inspired
Okay.
Let's go like this.
Ready?
let him show you how to get
Toast to you. Here's to Kelsey. Cup. Wow.
We're done.
We're done. Thanks for coming over.